Hey, honey, come here. I'm trying to do a video with you. Hmm? Show everyone how cute you are, Aloe. Show everyone how cute you are. Can you sit for me? Yeah, can you sit? Miss Aloe. Come here, Aloe. Aloe. Come here. No, Fuller. She can have that ball if she wants it. Don't be so grumpy. Don't be so grumpy, eh? He's so grumpy. There's other toys here, Aloe. Here, Aloe, look. Aloe, here, honey. Want that one?
But every now and then life throws you a curveball and someone gets sick. Nice try. If you're self-employed like us,
Come here, Aloe.
or retiring soon, you need to be prepared.
Aloe. Come here, honey. Leave that guy alone. He's got his ball and he's